Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia and I'm back with another wig review. So dolls, today is Kanye and Drake's concert and I'm going, and yeah, I need to be done within an hour. So of course I chose my Hairvivi unit to install because these are usually non-problematic. So let me go ahead and get into this review. This is the beautiful unit that I'm wearing. It looks like this unit has some layers and some curls that are already in, which will be helpful. It is a side part. Let me go ahead and try it on. So I really am not a fan of how they make their side parts. It kind of comes like at a diagonal instead of like a swoop. So I'm just gonna lightly change the part, but I like that it's a deep side part though. Okay, so now that doesn't look much different. Just me being me. But anyway, let me go ahead and let you guys take a look at this hairline before I even begin this install. Now y'all know this is the Hairvivi hairline. You all know they are masters at this. They have perfected the hairline. They have perfected bleaching the knots, and the hair quality is on point. That's why this is one of my favorite vendors. So let me stop talking. Let me go ahead and install this unit because y'all know I got some place to be. Y'all, this lace is so clear that I literally couldn't even tell if I was underneath it. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but I literally cannot even tell where the lace starts on my head right here. On this side, it's like literally it blends in so much that I can't even tell in person. I'm gonna tie this down for about 5 minutes. I usually do 10, but I ain't got the time. Let me add the makeup back to my skin. Take some of my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick and apply this to the roots. I'm gonna take some concealer and apply that to the parting. I feel like I want a little bit of baby hair, feeling kind of spicy. I'm gonna cut a light layer on this side. Okay, let me fluff this up just a little bit so y'all can see all the goodness that this unit has. Okay, dolls, so let me go ahead and give you all the deets on this unit. As you guys already know, this is a Hairvivi unit. This is in 20 inches, and as all Hairvivi units, they come pre-plucked and pre-bleached to perfection. Okay, and you're going to get the quality you're known to expect from a Hairvivi unit, which is not going to have any tangling and shedding. Well, shedding, every unit has shedding, but the shedding will be minimal, which means it's going to be a really easy maintenance unit, and it's just a very quality unit, which is why I stand and always will stand for my Hairvivi units. So if you haven't tried a Hairvivi unit and you've been thinking about trying a Hairvivi unit, consider this your sign and you're in luck. I got a coupon code for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put that across the screen, and I'm gonna also have it linked in the description box down below, along with everything else that was used in this video. But guys, y'all know I'm gonna need y'all to help me name this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the last unit I reviewed. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you want to see how this unit holds up, be sure and catch my vlog. I'll have it linked on the eye above, as well as in the description box down below. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. It is always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.